Hey, what's up? So, a few weeks ago, where we left off in the part of the story is where the calcium is entering the muscle cell. All right, and remember, just to kind of recap, the bigger picture is discussing why it makes sense that the study that found that higher intensity exercise led to better control of blood glucose levels makes sense. So just kind of explaining the mechanisms and whatnot behind that to the best of my understanding. So like I said, where we left off was calcium entering the muscle cell, okay? So when calcium enters a muscle cell, a lot of different things can happen. We're going to focus on one aspect of that right now, okay? And that's the calcium is going to diffuse to where the actin and myosin are. So I'm a very poor artist, but I'm going to draw some illustrations that are in no way accurate, but hopefully help to get the point across. So if we're going to call this actin, I'm going to call this myosin. And that's the myosin head, okay? So, when they're not bound, there's going to be, well, I shouldn't say when they're not bound, but there's going to be something called tropomyosin and troponin C, this is troponin I, this whole troponin complex. They're kind of more or less blocking the myosin head from binding with the actin, okay? It's covering the actin. So if we call this like tropomyosin, troponin C, troponin I, maybe something else, troponin whatever,